Hello everyone, our lesson for today is about whole numbers, rounding numbers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Learning objectives. In this lesson, you will learn the following. First, the rule of rounding off numbers. So there are some rules that you have to follow in rounding off whole numbers. Second, how to round the given whole number to the nearest 10 and 100. Because you are in primary 4 level, we are going to round the whole number to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100. Before we start this lesson, we need to learn first what is the meaning of the word rounding. The word rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Will you please read it again by yourself and try to understand the words? So rounding means making a number simpler or making it simple but keeping its value close to what it was or close to that number. Everyone, let us watch the video below. This video you are going to learn about rounding up and rounding down numbers. Please enjoy watching. Good luck.
What is rounding up? Rounding a number to a higher number is known as rounding up. For example, rounding off 68 to the nearest tens gives us 70. This is known as rounding up. What is rounding down? Rounding a number to a smaller number is known as rounding down. For example, rounding off 32 to the nearest tens gives us 30. This is known as rounding down. What about 5? Is it rounded up or down? The number 5 is also rounded up. So, 35 rounded to the nearest 10 becomes 40. So, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 are all rounded up to 40, while 34, 33, 32, 31 are all rounded down to 30. Think of it as teams. There's a team up and a team down, and these are its members.
Now, there are two ways of rounding numbers. Now, tell me, what is rounding up? How do we round up numbers? If you cannot remember, you can watch again the video. What is rounding down? Or how do we round down numbers? Again, if you cannot remember, you can watch again the video. Thank you. What is approximation symbol? Say it again. Approximation. Repeat after me. Approximation. Approximation. This is the symbol that we use in rounding numbers. Use this symbol in number phrase, we can say approximately equal to. Let's say it word by word. Approximately equal to. Repeat after me. Approximately equal to. This lesson is about rounding off numbers to nearest 10 using a number line. Round 27 to the nearest 10. Using number line below, 27 is between 20 and 30. Digit 2 is in the tens place. Digit 7 is in the ones place. 7 belongs to, is it round up or round down? "27 is nearer to 30 than 20. 27, when rounded off to nearest 10, the answer is approximately equal to 30. Another example. Round 63 to the nearest 10. 63 is between 60 and 70. Using number line, we can find 63. Is it round up or round down? 63 is nearer to 60 than 70. 63 is approximately equal to 60. One more example. Round off 85 to the nearest 10. 85 is exactly halfway between 80 and 90. Using number line below, the arrow is in the middle of 80 and 90. But since digit 5 is in the ones place, it belongs to round up. So what will be the answer? 85 is rounded up to 90, or the answer is 85 is approximately equal to 90. This time, let's try rounding off numbers with 3 digits. Example, round 123 to the nearest 10. 123 is between 120 and 130. Using number line, the arrow belongs to round up or round down. It's round down because digit 3 in the ones place belongs to round down digits. So, what will be the answer? "123 is nearer to 120 than to 130. So, the answer will be 123 is approximately equal to 120. This time, let's try rounding off numbers having 4 digits. Example, round 4,351 to the nearest 10. 4,351 using number line is between 4,350 and digit 1 is in the ones place. Using number line below, when we find the number 4,351, you can see the arrow in round down. So what will be the answer? 4,351 is nearer to 4,350 than to 4,360. So the answer is 4,351 is approximately equal to 4,350. Using a number line can be an easy method to round numbers. Let us try rounding numbers without using number line. These are the rules for rounding numbers. Step 1. Underline the place value you are rounding to. Or sometimes, you can circle the digit in the place value that you are rounding to. For example, circle the digit in the 10 if you are rounding to the nearest 10. And circle the digit in hundreds place if you are rounding numbers to the nearest 100. Step 2. The number to the right tells the underlined number what to do. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 stay the same. Or we can call round down. The digit 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 go up 1 or plus 1 to the digit. This is what we call rounding up. Last step. Write the new number by changing all numbers after the underlined number or the circle number to 0. If you have questions, you can watch again the video and write some notes. Additional reminders. If you are rounding a whole number to the nearest 10, there is always 1 0 to the right. And if you are rounding numbers to the nearest 100, there are 2 zeros to the right. But there are some numbers that are exceptional. Round these numbers to the nearest 10. Number 1, 129. Step 1. Circle the digit in the tens place. Which digit is in the tens place? We have digit 2. And then look at the digit in the ones place. It's digit 9. Now think, number 9. Is it round up or round down? Yes, the answer is round up. That means 29 is nearer to what number? Is it 20 or 30? The answer is 129 is nearer to 130. Next example. Number 85. Step 1. Circle digit 8 in the tens place and look at the digit in the ones place. In the ones place, we have digit 5. Think, 5, is it round up or round down? Yes, it's round up. That means 85 is nearer to what number? 80 or 90? The answer is 90. Next number. Number 742. We circle digit 4 in the tens place. And what digit is in the ones place? The answer is digit 2. Is digit 2 round up or round down? round down. That means we will choose between 740 and 750. The answer is 740 because it's round down. Next, the last example, 97. Circle digit 9 and digit 7 is in the ones place. Think, 7, is it round up or round down? Round up. That means you will choose between 90 or 100. And the answer is 100. Let's try more example. Round these numbers to the nearest 10. 446. We circle digit 4 and digit 6 in the ones place. Round up or round down? Round up. That means you choose between 440 or 450. Digit 6. Round up. The answer is 450. Next example. 563. We circle digit 6. The next digit is 3. 3 belongs to round up or round down? Round down. So you will choose between 560 or 570. The answer is 560. Next number, 8,567. We circle digit 6 in the tens place and look at digit 7 in the ones place. Is it round up or round down? 7 belongs to round down. So that means we will choose between 8,560 or 8,570. Because it's round up, the answer is 8,570. Last example, 31. We circle digit 3 in the tens place, and digit 1 is in the ones place. Ask yourself, digit 1 belongs to, is it round up or round down? Round down. We will choose between 30 or 40. 31 is nearer to what number? The answer is 30, because it's round down. This time, let's try rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Rounding rules. When rounding numbers to the nearest 100, look at the tens digit of the number. If that digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then the tens place is replaced by 0. But if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then the tens place is replaced by 0 and the hundreds place is increased by 1. Remember, whether you round up or round down, the tens and the ones digits change to zeros. For example, first example, 728. The tens digit is 2. So, digit 2 belongs to round up or round down? Round down. So, the answer is 728 is approximately equal to 700. Another example, 471. The 10th digit is 7. 7. Is it round up or round down? Round up. So the answer is 471 is approximately equal to 500. Round these numbers to the nearest hundred. Example number 1, 169. The digit in the hundreds place is 1. Circle 1, then look at the next digit. Digit 6 belongs to round up or round down? Round up. So the answer is 200. Example number 2, 533. Digit 5 is in the hundreds place. Circle 5. The next digit is 3. 3. Round up or round down? The answer is round down. So the answer is 500. Next number, 95,214. What digit is in the hundreds place? Digit 2. Circle digit 2 and look at the next digit. Digit 1. Round up or round down? The answer is round down. So, 95,214 rounded off to the nearest hundred is 95,200. Next example, 2,175. Circle digit 1 in the hundreds place. Look at the next digit. Digit 7. Is it round up or round down? Round up. That means the answer is 2,200. Let us try to practice some worksheets on the link. Good luck, everyone. Goodbye.